Time to peep the goods. Block, flywheel, pressure plate, the head, cams, the crank back from the balancer too. Got the extended sleeve put on. That. Old shit. Bearings, rings, timing gear, balance rods, piston heads.
Again on the track.
That fucking guy there. Try to do this on camera. Ooh. I take the shitters out. Fuck, dude, I'm fucking sweating my balls off. Fucking A, mate.
Okay, now the valve is facing the right way. We will take number 1.
Alright, mate, it's hotter than a wildebeest cunt out here. But I got the valves stripped out of the old head. Now I gotta take all the valves out of the new head. Update. Ow, fuck. Oh. Fuck, that stopped my thoughts. Alright. This piece of shit has fucked up a valve. Well, let's go over it. Recap of this fucking turd. So I had this fucking piece of shit on here. I was cranking it down, you put on the valve, crank that fucking thing, put a socket in there, presses it down, you know, you get skinny. But I put a socket in there and it started to like lean when I would twist that. And like it just kind of let go of the socket. Socket flies out, the keeper flies out, well, one of the keepers flies out. This thing spins around, busts me in the knuckle, but one of those keepers ended up, I don't know if you can see this in here, ended up scarring, well, pretty much ended up scarring up here on the valve, which after sitting here for a whole day right there in that shitty chair fucking lapping valves, I gotta relap that one. Went all the way at the fucking end. Yeah. That is a scar-free valve. So first you grab your shitty chair. You sit down, your valve. It's all cleaned. Ooh, maybe I shouldn't let it drop, but yeah, I already did. Start with the Pistorinos. by the book.
Piano on the track.
So this weekend, I'm gonna pour a Tap-X broken tap removal solution to get that hardened steel tap out, and hopefully it doesn't eat through anything else. It doesn't react to aluminum as fast as it does to steel. So, see what happens. Stay tuned.